This is my house. All right, you guys ready to come inside? Come on in. This is the living room, and it truly is that. Like, we are in this room all day, every day. I tried to make every single place to sit the most comfortable. I just wanted it to be family friendly, comfortable, casual, and easy to live. I started out as a prop stylist and auditioned for Design Star kind of as a joke.
The next Design Star is Emily.
Once I started working for HGTV, I was like, I want to be Target's spokesperson. And when I did this commercial, I was so proud of myself. This vignette is definitely one of my favorites. There we go. Brian and I always knew that we would have a piano. I love these pottery bells from Michelle Kwan, photo of my kids, my leather-wrapped rock that I need. One of my favorite parts of my job is the fact that we have all of these followers and we get to ask them questions. So the biggest common wars. We had the mirror over the fireplace, that was a huge deal. The stools in the kitchen, there was like a 9-month war on that. As we were styling this vignette for a shoot, there's 2 lamps on a piano. Is that okay? And everybody said, like, hands down, it's not. That engagement is really fun for us. So do you think that these are okay? My favorite thing about the entry is this wall of family photos. These were all actually taken with an iPhone. Toddlers will not like sit and smile for a camera, like very rarely. So what we do is I take videos and then I basically screen grab a frame of the video. So by using action shots, you just get more energy and more fun and more life, and it's actually how they really are in person. I love it because every day when I come home from work, it's the first thing I see and it makes me very happy. I spend a decent amount of time shopping online. And here's a hot tip. If you're looking for a dining table, put in dinning table with 2 N's because everybody spells it with 2 N's strangely, and sometimes you can find these amazing dinning tables because people that are searching for dining tables aren't finding these in their search. Hot tip. Birdie's room, and the thing about having a baby girl is that you can do whatever you want and they don't say anything. So this is really it's like a little bit more my fantasy bedroom. So I was highly unprepared for how adorable and fun it is to have a tea party with your child. My children, they have very strong attachments to every single stuffed animal that they have ever seen, and they have to sleep with every single one of them. But it's like one of those carnival games where a big claw comes down and you try and find your child every morning because there's just so many. This house, it's 100 years old, and we had to renovate the entire thing, but the backyard, we were like, this is why we're buying this house. To have flat land in LA that's enclosed for kids is priceless. We're big on gatherings, on entertaining. The patio was designed so that the parents can hang out here and overlook the kids playing. Come Friday night, the happy hour is always at the Hendersons. It's always on that patio. So I may have gone a little bit overboard. It's like we wanted them to have a fort, and I was like, why have a fort when you can build a castle? It's like the headquarters of every single game they play. And then underneath it is a pebble pit. New trend alert, folks. Pebble pits are the new sandbox. All right, that was fun. It was great having you, but now it's time to leave. Bye, guys.